6 Ways to Rebuild Self-Worth After Addiction Recovery. You're amazing. You probably don't get told this enough, but you are. You've been struggling with substance abuse, and now you finally reached the point where you're recovering. How awesome is that? But as good as you do right now, there's still work to be done. It's time to rebuild your self-worth after addiction recovery. It's not something that's going to happen by itself. It would help if you were intentional in this stage of your recovery. Making each of these steps is so very important. Accept you already have worth. Self-worth isn't some crazy goal you can't even see from here. You already have value. What you did in your past doesn't matter so much as what you're doing with the future. Start from a place of knowing you have something to contribute to the world. You're a remarkable individual. It should be obvious. You got this far, didn't you? Drop the comparisons. It's easy to think you're not doing everything you should. There's always going to be someone who's further along in their journey than you are. You be you, exactly where you are right now. What anyone else is doing is none of your business and has nothing to do with you. Do the important stuff. How are you doing? Are you getting enough sleep? Do you remember to eat the right things? How about getting exercise? Taking care of the basics will make the rest of this so much easier. Besides, when you take care of yourself, you remind yourself you're worth it. What about goals? It is helpful to have something to do. Rather than focusing entirely on your substance abuse problems, you need to look forward. Set a goal, nothing too big, but something big enough to challenge you just a little bit, enough so the accomplishment feels meaningful when you achieve it. Every time you reach a goal, you're going to feel pretty good about yourself, so this step is essential. Find someone to share the journey. Everything is harder when you try to do it by yourself. Open yourself up to the people around you who love you and allow them to help you, benefiting both them and you. It feels good to help other people. It also feels pretty amazing to be helped. Accept you are worthy of being loved and your feelings of self-worth will soar. Give back. When you volunteer, you're showing the world you're strong enough and confident enough to have something to contribute. Also, volunteering gives you a chance to use your strengths to the benefit of others. There's a multitude of ways to give back to the community. Making this part of your recovery is a powerful move. Lastly, it's important to note if at any time you find yourself floundering. It's okay to ask for help. The journey to regain your self-worth can sometimes feel long and complicated. Getting professional help might just be the boost you need to get yourself back on track. Hang in there. You've got this.